It is hot today. Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Matt. As you guys probably know, I've been really enjoying the milk teas here in Okinawa, and I wanted to do a video. I've been wanting to do videos like this for a long time, and I recorded some, I just haven't released any, but this is gonna be the first one. I wanna compare all the milk teas and see which one is the best, at least in my opinion. There was one that is very popular that I couldn't find, and that's the Boss Coffee milk tea. I walked all over and I couldn't find it, but these are the ones we have. We have Royal Milk Tea by Kochakaden. So the Kochakaden Royal Milk Tea. We have the Kirin, and this is probably the most popular one you'll find in Okinawa and in Japan, I think. I also got the UCC one, which comes in a can. I got that from a vending machine. And this is a 100 yen one that I found in a vending machine. And I wanted to compare it just to see how it stacks up against the ones that actually are kind of branded and cost a lot. But this is a 100 yen one from a cheap, there's like a cheap one. These are all the milk teas. I've tried the Boss Coffee one too, and that one is very good, I must say, but I couldn't find it. So what I'm looking for in a milk tea is it sort of being creamy, sort of being sweet. I think there's some milk teas that aren't sweetened, but all of these should be sweetened. And we're gonna go ahead, can you see them all? All right, so let's go ahead and let's just start. I'll put these off to the side here. And let's just start with this one. So Royal Milk Tea by Kochakaden. Okay, hold on. This one does have sort of that bitter tea taste in it. It's not so much, it's more, they're all sweetened teas, but this one's a little more towards, at least compared to these in my opinion, a little more towards the bitter in the tea. That's not necessarily a bad thing. I'll have to try the other ones to see where I'm gonna rank this. Yeah, okay, that one's pretty good. I like them all. So I'm gonna try that one. Okay, this one's the most common one. I find this everywhere. You guys, if you've been to Japan at all, you'll probably see this one everywhere. Okay, let me compare these two. I wanna make sure which one I like better. Okay, so this one, I actually like better than this one here. This one's a little more on the creamy side. It has a little bit sweeter taste. I like that in a tea. This one, like I said, a little bit more on the bitter side, but very good still. So this one's so far better than this one. So these are cans, so I guess let's go ahead and do the UCC one. Let me know what you guys think of these teas. These UCC, these are all cold too, by the way. Wow. Okay, this one's pretty distinct. Very different than these. Okay, this one's more on the chocolatey side. It doesn't have as much sweetness still as this one, but you could really taste the chocolate sort of flavor in it. So far this one's the closest to a tea, the bitterest. This one's the most sweet. And this one's the most chocolatey. Man, they're all good. Okay, let's compare these. These are all name brand Japanese ones here. How do these stack up to a 100 yen one? This is clearly less tea than all the other ones. But let's see how this one, the Chirio tea. Okay, this one's definitely the worst. It's not bad, but this one's sort of watered down. It doesn't have much of a tea flavor or a sweetness to it. I would probably, from best to worst, let's say this is the best one. I'll put the best one over here, followed by this one, then this one. Here, okay, make sure you guys can see the labels here. Followed by this one. Okay, that's good, because I've been drinking a lot of these teas lately, and whenever I just get one, I can never tell which one I like the best. Kind of interesting to note, because this is the one I end up getting the most. Not because I know I like it the best, but because it seems to be the most common one I could find around here. Everywhere sells this one. And this one and the Boss Coffee one are both pretty common as well. This one I've only seen in vending machines, the UCC one, and this one's only a vending machine one. So this is the sweetest one, and in my opinion, the best tasting milk tea. This one, if you like your milk tea with more of a tea flavor, this one is very good. This one has the most chocolatey tea type flavor, so if you like that, this one. And this one's really watered down, but I guess if you only have 100 yen and you see a vending machine and you see this one, this is an Okinawan one, by the way, too. If you're somewhere else in Japan, there's probably some other 100 yen vending machine milk tea, but for Okinawa at least, this one's not the best. If I remember correctly with the Boss Coffee one, I'd probably put that one second because I do remember, I wish I'd tried it side by side, but I know I really like that one too. And that one's also more like this, more of a tea flavor if I remember correctly. But this one, the easiest one to find, and it happens to be the best one in my opinion. I want to do more of these. There's probably a better format I could come up with. I'd like to have friends and stuff try it as well, not just me giving you guys my opinion, although it is something that I could do myself very easy if I can't gather people. So if you like milk tea, leave it in the comments below which one is the best one that you can buy from a vending machine or a grocery store or something in Japan here. Do you like the Boss Coffee one? Do you like this one? Have you tried these? Do you like milk tea? Let me know. I'm gonna do more comparison videos like this. There are so many things to compare here in Okinawa. Give me some ideas too below what you want me to try all different ones of, and I would love to make a video on it. One of the ideas I had was also for drinks. I wanted to compare the name brand stuff to the off-brand stuff and maybe do like a blind taste test. Give me some ideas down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe if you want more of this, if you want to know what the best thing is in Japan, you want me to test it, want me to give you my opinion. That's it. You can leave now. I'll see you in the next one.